One girl like her, always talking about some work. When she put me on the gram, everybody got hurt. But I fucked up now, man, a nigga feel hurt. Now she carry me now like a motherfucker. Plus you know I want you, girl.
Hey, it's Marjay. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing with Ipsy. And if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it's like a subscription that you pay for $10 a month, and you get 5 random beauty supplies things sent to you for only $10 a month every month. And mine just came in the mail for the month of September already. Bow bow. And today I'm just going to unbox that with you guys. So let's get into the video. So I took it out the package already. I don't want you guys to see my address because why do you need to see that, right? Alright. So, but this is what the bag it came in. It's so cute. Like, ooh. Got the little lashes. I don't even wear lashes like that, but it's cute or whatever. And it's so cute. I could use this bag for anything else. Alright, let's see what's in here. So first and foremost, I have this little thing. It says the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to. I know that's right, sis. And then it says only on Ipsy Shopper 30% cash back on all of these. Oh, so I get $30 cash back if I get like one of the 3 things listed on here. And it's like different types of mascaras. That's cute. I like mascara. Who doesn't like mascara? Alright, let's get into see what's in the bag for the goodies. Alright, cool. First and foremost, ooh, I have It Naturals 2-in-1 Amazing Leave-In Treatment, Keratin-Rich Argan Oil infused with oh, this is nice. I wonder how it smells. It repairs, protects, and strengthens hair. It has 12 amazing benefits. Shampoo and conditioner. Oh, that's cute. This is what it looks like. I wonder how it smells. Ooh, almost. Ooh, when I tell you. Ooh, I like this. When I take this weave out, sis. Okay, next. Wait, hold on. Air dry or style. Oh, you can just leave this in your hair. Well, it's conditioning. Duh, leave-in treatment. But why does it say shampoo? Sorry. It just clicked for me, so sorry about that. Alright, next. So that's the first thing we came out with this 2-in-1, or 12-in-1 It Naturals. Boom. I'm gonna use this definitely. Okay, and next in the goodie box, what do we have? It is a priming lip wand. I want to open it. I'm not. Oh, sorry. I have this weird thing for smelling stuff. Sorry, you guys. Okay, what's this? Sorry, it's so hard to open stuff with nails on. Okay. And this is the second. Sorry, can you see that? Mana Beauty Simplified Lip Locked Step 3 Priming Lip Wand in the color Bella. I'm sorry, Belle. I wonder how this will look on me. nice and creamy. It's like really easy to apply. And it's like nice and vibrant. Ooh! Ooh! I am feeling this. Okay. I am feeling this. Comment in the description. Comment in the comments if you think this is cute on me. Okay, I like this. I'm feeling this. Okay, Ipsy, I'm feeling it today. We got 3 more things to check out. What's next? I have a Pretty Petal eyeshadow. Okay, by Princess. All right, let's see what this better be pigmented or I'm gonna be one salty girl. How about that? I finally got the plastic off of it, so let's see how pigmented this is. Hold on. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh. Ooh, that's like it's like a pinkish, champagne-ish, shimmery kind of color. I could use this as a highlight, to be honest. Ooh! Oh, snap. Sorry, it don't smell like that. This is nice. I'm definitely feeling this. And what's the color of this again? One moment. I gotta flip it over. This is in Pretty Petal. Oh. This is a nice sample. I'm gonna be mad when this goes. Look at that. Do you see that? Oh, sis. Okay. Feeling that eyeshadow. Definitely going to be using that sometime soon. Okay, let's see what is next. I only got 2 things left. So next thing that came in my subscription bag is a brush, makeup brush. And let me see. And I have the Luxie 140 Detail Taper Blender. This is a nice, and this is for like blending out your eyeshadows and things like that. This is nice. Nice and sturdy. Don't feel cheap. Like, so you know how like you get some like makeup brushes and like just the quality of them feel like cheap and like not worth your money? Because I'm definitely like the type of person, like when the first makeup brush set that I ever bought was from Amazon, because it was like I was trying out, I was just getting into makeup, and like, I mean, at the time the brushes did what they had to do, but like this ain't that, sis. This is not that, sis. This is the real deal, sis. Like, even look at it. It just looked like, I don't know. I just done seen some cheap brushes in my life. So this, I'm definitely going to be using for when I blend. Definitely. Detailed Taper Blender. Thank you, Ipsy. Thank you. And last but definitely not least, the last thing we have, and what is this? Glamour Dolls. What is this? Oh, eyeliner. They sent me eyeliner. Oh my god, y'all don't. Oh, and it's blue. Oh, they don't know what they done just did. They don't know what they just done did. They had the audacity to send me some blue eyeliner. Hold on, let me open this. I just gotta open. So, how much product they give me? Okay, they give me a good amount. Okay, because I'll always check that. I'll always check that. And let me just see. No, beautiful, bro. That is so pigmented. I'm definitely gonna be using this on my waterline. Yo, look at that. Do you see how like pigmented that is? Oh, hunty. Yes, see, baby. Yes. Okay. I'm really excited about all of these products that I got for these 5 little products, because each thing I'm gonna definitely use. So, recap. First thing I got was this 12-in-1 leave-in treatment for my hair. Definitely gonna be using this when I take my weave out. Then I have got the Mana Lip Lock Priming Lip Wand. That's what I have on my lips. Mwah. Next, I have the eyeshadow from M Princess, and it's the Pretty Petal, which is this on my arm. Yes, sis. And then I got this brush, Detail Taper Blender, good for your eyeshadows and things like that. And last but definitely not least, this poppin' blue eyeliner. Because when I tell you, sis, they don't know what they just did to this. They don't know what they just did to me by giving me this as a gift. They don't. So I'm definitely going to be using all of these. We're going to definitely put these back in this little box. This little bag. Because this is definitely the cutest little bag I've ever seen in my life. So we're just going to put that back. I can't wait till October box. Monthly subscription going to be looking next. Because October is a poppin' month. And I'm not just saying that because it's my birthday month. But, yes, I'm so excited. I'm so extra. I'm about to put this back in the little box, the bag. Because I like the color of the bag. This is cute. Okay, thank you. Alright, and that pretty much sums up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing if you already have. And if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I also want you guys to leave any comments or suggestions of videos that you would like to see. And I want to thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey with me. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thanks, and stay tuned. Bye.